Hey guys, so I don't remember. I know that I made a video showing you taking down the living fence. I don't know if I've actually made it public. So we are filling back up the hotbed, and I don't know if we'll actually use it this season, but it's really good to keep it topped off. We let the willows dry out a little bit, and now we're putting them in here, and then we'll probably put some straw on it. But yeah, it sank a little bit, so we just want to fill it back up. And even if we don't use it this winter, we'll use it in the spring next year. This is the next bed, the one that you saw us planting. That was from the remains of the compost pile over there.
It's my favorite.
It is nice, huh?
Yep. Can you show them those?
So we have lots of summer squash, we have lots of peppers, we have tomatoes in here. And then this is my last bed. And always build your cages before you plant your bed. Always build your cages before you put your soil in, because you're going to have kittens, you're going to have chickens. The main reason that I'm letting that one go fallow is because I had it all planted to peas, and then a chicken jumped in and ate all of my peas, scratched them all up, moved the watering hose, and so after just seeing that I wasn't getting the cage put on, I decided to let that one be fallow for a bit, let myself catch up. I do have other things planted here that are going to be just fine. And yet, once again, I still don't have the cage put on. This one will keep chickens out because it's hard for them to fly up and have space to perch with this here. But it hasn't kept kittens out, and they will use it as a toilet. And we love our kittens. So, this one is planted to, I'm not sure. Those could be cucumbers in the middle, but I'm not sure. They can see ya. Can you hop down? Because that's not very gentle on the grow bed. It's already got a lot of pressure on it. Yeah, so we got lots of cats in here. Because it's wet, they're not playing in it really so much, but I would like to just block it off. The cage that I have started over here, this is what it should look like, but I haven't finished it. I'm not having the time to be out here. Honey, next time can you pick her up not holding the scruff, because she just dug her heels in to not be picked up, and it knocks dirt on the carrots. So we got carrots, beets, Swiss chard, and maybe some cucumbers in there. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to go check out our Etsy store and our shirts. We have shirts too that I absolutely adore, but these are my pajamas, not my shirts, so I can't show it to you. Anyway, there's how it's going. Our big garden, which is actually a little garden, but it's big, getting crazy. I should probably take out what I believe is a winter squash because it's taking over melons, but we have melons all over the place. We got them from Marianne's Heirloom seeds, which I really didn't think we would be getting them. It's a little late in the year for things like winter squash to be coming on, so I'm really, really tempted just to cut out the squash and let the melons do their thing, because they do have enough time to ripen before we have frost. We've got lots of tomatoes, lots of Swiss chard, lots of green beans, that kind of thing. And I really just need to come in here and cut back the things that are getting their start way too late to actually fruit anything.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell.
There's a baby watermelon this big.
There's a baby watermelon, and I need to take out the squash so that it isn't killing everything. Anyway, there you go. Make sure to also go check out Marianne's Heirloom seeds. I have all the links in the description. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you later.